I've seen breakthroughs. I've heard stories. And most of all, I've seen the determination that really sets the stage for a future that we can shape together.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to make a difference to all of them, but I made a difference to this one starfish right now.
How's the Josh?
Hi, ma'am.
Fine, sir? Or fine?
Ma'am.
Time to redefine our gendered language as well, right? This year's theme, me+we, a lot of us have spoken about it, is a roadmap that reminds us of how important all of our contributions are in driving that change.
Where the people who imagine and build tech mirror the people in the societies, the world that they live in. Such a powerful statement.
So the hackathon was here yesterday. Yeah. So Himani, do you want to say hi?
Hello, we're here at GHCI’24.
And we were looking for coffee and tea.
Yeah, finally found it.
Yeah.
Harnit, you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, why don't you try it?
All of them, and you can pay whatever you can for them. So yeah, let me know if something catches your eye.
Make a video and do share me,
Of course, I will.
I also have these around if you want to go through these. These are like basically illustrations.
And I painted after school, I guess.
Yeah, corporate women letting their inner souls breathe.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Come, I'll make a video.
Okay.
Yay!
Yeah, like coming to GHCI and not taking a picture in front of this.
I think this
That's
is
a
light
crime.
up in India.
Wow.
I get to know that yesterday only. That's what.
Wow. Time for my lunch. I missed the networking lunch sessions, so yeah.
What are we missing out on, right? So that's just a question I'll leave you with. I don't have a definition.
ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಪ್ಪು ಮೇಡಮ್ 7 ಬಣ್ಣ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಿಳುಪು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬಣ್ಣ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಕಪ್ಪು ಮೇಡಮ್.
That's a dark joke, just saying. In fact, in the late 90s, when I went to Bangkok and Thailand for the first time and I saw cross-dressers and trans people for the first time in my life, my first thought was not gender. My first thought was fancy dress. I'm sure their parents have done this to them. It's so ironic because these were the same parents who got very thrown later on in life when their own son or daughter identified as their daughter or son and prove that gender, like sambar, is also fluid.
Party from where I came. Even though the mind drain, I keep it neat and sustained. Blood running through my veins, never mundane. Over and over, till I'm at first place.
There are people out there that are telling you that you have to like count every single dollar, you can't go get your coffee, you can't have all these little luxuries that you want to do. You can do that and still save your way to wealth.
And how many women leaders here have the power to make the pay decisions, the comp decisions for your teams? So please promise me that you're all going to make the right trade-offs and make sure there are no unconscious biases. Good?
And today we have hybrid working. And when COVID happened, we said, okay, now the workplace has become genderless. It's become an even playing ground and women can participate, etc., etc. And we said, now there will be no more gender imbalance, no inequities, etc. But what we hear from anecdotal mostly is that it's not happening the way we expected. It's not a genderless world out there on the net.
We about that, me+we. See the future, gonna get that. 10 toes in, can you feel that? Feel that? Get that. We're about to break that chain, that thought, that force me to.
We have our first ABBY Award winner here in India. So let's take a moment to congratulate Hardika Shah, founder and CEO of Canara Capital.
As a teenager, I remember him preparing the hot water bottle for me because my mom was busy, and that's okay. And I feel like because I've seen that representation at home, I'm constantly chasing the same representation in my films. And art is very powerful. We have the power to reach out to such a large number of people.